unique, especially in classics. Check this one out. 2016 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. One owner car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. The original miles in this car, little over 27,000. We're going to get into some more things that make this car pretty special too, but one of the first ones, very low production color. This is one of 59 in maximum steel metallic with a manual transmission. In all of the Hellcats in 16, there's only 184 produced in this color, and it is beautiful. It's kind of a deep bluish slate gray metallic, and it is sharp. Unfortunately, the pictures and video just do not do this one justice. It's riding on Rohana rims and has some other modifications that are done to it, including some underneath the hood. It has been massaged. This one is putting out in excess of 800 horsepower, closer to the 870 range. It also has an E85 tune that you can change that would produce even more. We'll get into that details here in a second. But first of all, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, the interior, the engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. If you want to call us, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions that you may have on this particular car. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the passenger side. You're going to see it's pretty much free of nicks, dings, or scratches. Yeah, you might find a couple real small little imperfections. You might find any previous owner maybe touched up a little tiny spot, say like that. And there you go. Look at the metallic in that paint. That starts to do it a little more justice. Black leather interior. Of course, a 6-speed manual transmission, center console. Now, let's go over a little bit of what's underneath the hood in this thing. 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi. Again, that's been massaged to 870 horsepower approximately. And then with that E85 tune, you're going to bump that up above that. Now, what's been done? Let me get through some of these things. It does have a 2018 ported supercharger. Also has forged rosin and pistons, B-Woody heat exchanger, full exhaust with catted X-pipe, Thitic heads, RXT 1200 clutch, Rockland transmission, Tranzilla 6-speed, that's what it's known as, Barton shifter, G-force axle. There's approximately 4,000 miles on the engine and about 50 miles on the transmission. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, you can see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right, so that's some of the things that have been modified. Again, the engine. Got any questions, call in. You can see up and down the driver's side of this car. It's like the passenger side. This car has been ceramic coated, so it has such a nice deep shine to it, and paint is in very showable condition. All right, let's look at the interior of this. Of course, you're going to have your standard features that you're going to have on an SRT Challenger Hellcat. This one also has had the sunroof or moonroof added. Now let's go ahead and fire this up because I want you to hear it run. We're going to check out the engine bay. There's your exact miles, 27,407. Right there. And this one does have some bark to it. We're going to let it warm up just a tad here. It's going to come down off the higher idle. I'll blip the throttle. The throttle response is amazing. Of course, take a look at the interior. You'll also be able to see the window sticker. I'll have that in the still pictures if you want to look at the exact options that this came with stock. You can see the dash is in nice shape. Seats, both sides, passenger driver. They're what you'd expect with 27,000 miles. And as far as the rear seats, check them out in the still pictures. It's going to be the same thing. Now, if you can hear that, Get a nice little loby engine sound to this. Throttle response, again, amazing in this car. You can hear that. No check engine lights on, no service engine lights on, anything like that. This was built, and it was built right. Take a little closer look at that driver's seat when I get out. Again, you can see not full of wear, bolster areas. Yes, you're going to have where the leather starts to naturally wrinkle, but no rips, tears, holes. Let's slip around to the back of this. This car will turn heads with the sound, the color, the looks. Listen to that. And again, in the neighborhood of 870, pushing 900 horse, and that's without the 85 tune. That's with the high octane tune that is in it. Tuner is in the center console, as well as the lug for the slotted lug nuts on this one. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's get this hood pop, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here we go. Hood pop. There it is, that massage 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi JLT cold air intake. This also has a B Woody heat exchanger down below. And again, remember that full exhaust, catted X pipe. It does have the JLT oil catch can on there, as you can see also. Nice setup. And again, since it's built, approximately 4,000 miles on the engine and about 50 on the transmission. There you go. Looking for some modern day muscle, and a lot of it. 2016 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. And remember, one of only 59 made in maximum steel with a manual transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.